film, the big guns are out, no? It's a Star Cinema film about, relationship drama. And then we got Derek Cathy Garcia Zampana with this incredible cast, including Joros Gamboa. Okay, Joros, the question is...
Anong ginagawa mo sa pelikula ito?
Ayun, ano yung trabaho?
So you've played so many memorable supporting characters in Star Cinema movies. Ano ba yung aabangan ng mga manonood sa iyo para sa pelikulang ito? Ano yung aabangan sa yung kakaiba?
Wala. Sure. Hindi, as always naman, susurpresahin namin kayo. Ganun si Derek Cathy talaga. Katulad nga na nabanggit nila, ano is technique yun eh.
Yeah.
Minsan yung iba yung ipapabasa sa'yo para
Iba
kita
yung
sa
reaction.
reaction, di mo madadaya kasi
Oo.
gulat ka, iba yung sinasabi. Yun yung hinuhuli ni Derek. Minsan nga iba yung script mo. Ako, tawag ko si Legolas, Gandalf, ibang script pala. Ibang muna, joke lang. Hindi,
Lord of the Rings,
iba pala yun. Hindi, pero yun ang maganda rito na lagi binabanggit ni Don kanina, yung totoo. Ang mapapanood mo, totoo. At makaka-relate ka. Kasi ramdam mong totoo eh. Dahil kung hindi mo ramdam, peke ka.
Totoo naman.
Totoo naman.
Ito, totoo yung tatanong ko sa iyo. Before we move on to our cast, di ba? Pinag-usapan namin ni Emilio kanina na kasi if you look at the filmography of Joros Gamboa, part siya ng mga highest grossing films. Di ba? Do you feel any pressure right now?
Karamihan doon si Derek Cathy kasama ko. So, ayun. Saka hindi ako naniniwala sa luck. Malas yun. Blessed lang tayo. Blessed lang ako na napapasama ako sa magagandang pelikula ng Star Cinema. And syempre, again, thank you si Derek.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi pala. Nalilito kasi ako. Kay Derek Cathy. Kasi ako, talagang transparent naman ako sa lahat na kumbaga sa showbiz, pinakamalaki utang na loob ko kay Derek Cathy. Dahil talagang siya yung, she released the Brockman.
Yan.
Kumbaga, siya yung nagtiwala rin talaga sa akin for the longest time. At patuloy siyang nagtitiwala kahit nakikita niyang medyo malabo na mata ko pag nagbabasa ako. So,
Pero part of the big weapons kasi, of course, si Joros. Si this film.
maganda story ng Star Cinema.
Of
Yun
course,
talaga.
yun talaga yung hawakan natin. Speaking of story, kasama sa story na to, we got River, Emilio, and Mia. And the question is, how will you describe your characters in this film? Can you give us a hint on the vibe or energy you'll be bringing into the story? Let's start with our lady first, Mia.
Hello po.
Hi.
Nalito na rin, sino ba talaga ako kaya Joros? Kasi ako po, I'll be playing the role of Tina. Very sassy and very supportive friend, workmate, and housemate of Cisco and Cheska. Na very straightforward din sa mga nangyayari sa mga buhay nila. Yun po.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Mia. River, I just have to say, super happy for
Sorry,
you.
pwedeng sumingit ng konti kay Mia.
Yes.
I don't know her kasi.
Hmm.
Like, I don't know her. Sabi nila Mia Canton, sa sino yan. Magaling daw po. Sige. Tinignan ko. Siyempre, as always naman, lahat ng ata ng tao makita ako takot.
Hmm.
Pero sabi ko, magaling tong batang to ha. That's how I see a galing of an actor. Yung, hindi na nga outshine, hindi yung F's doon sa eksena, ginagawa yung trabaho niya nang nasa likod siya. And ako, the fact na mapansin kita sa likod, ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka ng tama. Sabi ko, I love this Mia. Thank you, Mia.
Hindi lang siya magaling na actress, masarap din yung pansit niya.
The best. Diba? Thank you so much, Mia. River, second film in Star Cinema. Magkasunod pa. How does it feel?
Siyempre, it's an honor to be part of another Star Cinema movie, lalo na directed by Derek Cathy and siyempre starring Don Bell. And dito sa movie na ito, I play the role of Shane. He is the co-lead or office mate of Cisco and Cheska, and I guess he ends up having a rivalry with Cisco in terms of in work and also in romance.
Oh, Oh, interesting. Okay. Looking forward to that. Emilio, how about you? From what I heard, he was called parang biglaan sa set.
Medyo, oo.
Biglaan.
Nasa gym lang ako. Tapos na ako mag-gym. Legit, this was like, I think 9 a.m. And then, tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema. Uy, Emilio, free ka ba ngayon? May taping kay Donnie and Belle with Direk Cathy. Sabi ko, okay, I'm there na, 5 minutes lang. So legit, naligo na ako and then diretso na ako sa set. Kasi syempre, it's been a dream of mine to be part of a Star Cinema film, especially with Direk Cathy and now starring Donnie and Belle. So,
Buti nga, naligo
buti,
ka pa.
buti nga, naligo pa ako.
Oo, dire-diretso yung iba. Dire-diretso na kasi. Sobrang excitement.
Yeah, but
Okay, in this movie,
I play Mookie, so he is the college best friend of Donnie, and we start a business together, and makikita niyo kung gaano ka-successful yun.
oh, interesting. Okay. Now we move on to the question of Carrie, of Zane. For Donnie Bell, before tayo sa wakas, you two were already doing projects separately. What made you decide to make this specific film as your last one together? For now, how did you know that it's time to pursue and prioritize your solo careers? Bell?
Okay. Ako na. I mean, before entering the love team naman, I always had, sabi ko, I wanna be a good actress. Yun naman talaga. And Donnie and I have been vocal about it naman na we just don't wanna be Don Bell. We also wanna be Donnie and Bell. So I feel like this project is the perfect project for it since it shows so much growth and maturity and it required so much authenticity from the both of us. So, and also plus given Direk Cathy and also yung material, syempre, ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Yeah. Like we mentioned, it's not something that we just thought of overnight. Si Belle kasi isa sa mga kakampi ko dito syempre sa showbiz. And we're very, very open with each other. So I think it just had to get to a point where tama yung material para sa ganitong klaseng transition. Yeah, so we would talk about it, you know, project after project. Kailan kaya tayo magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng transition or phase to a different direction, or when will we pause, yung ganun. And when we were presented this material, syempre, parang nag-meet na kami, sabi namin sa isa't isa, I think this is the best time kasi it's very timely.
Yeah.
And it's also one that will showcase, you know, different sides of us. Like I said, it's a mixture of all our characters and more. So parang it just felt like the right time. And yeah, of course,
Serendipitous, parang gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa lahat talaga sumakto.
yeah.
Timing, creatives, story, and casting. Okay. We got a lot of questions, pero I think the time parang ubos na. So we got a couple of more na itatanong para sa cast natin, creatives, and this is for everyone. Anyone who wants to answer could. The question is, mukhang maraming temang tinatak ang pelikulang ito, pero easily nababasa na tungkol sa magkaibang priority sa buhay. Problema na ba ito ng young couples ngayon? Young couples, Joros.
Hindi na nga ako sasagot eh. Kasi young eh. Huwag ka na rin sumagot.
Diretso ko sasagot.
Ah, okay.
Is it?
Is it?
Okay. Emilio, sige. Masyado bang driven itong generation ngayon na yung relationship could take, you know, the backseat muna?
I think sa pelikulang ito, well, based on young couples now, I think makaka-relate talaga yung mga Gen Z ngayon. Kasi, syempre, parang may push and pull between love, career, prioritizing yourself. So, I think madaming matututunan ng ating mga viewers and lahat ng mga manonood ng film about themselves, their partners, their future partners, their career. So, I'm super excited for them to see that.
And it's not just about the generation now, no? Lahat tayo pinagdaanan yan. Ano ba pili natin? Yung mahal ko o yung pangarap ko sa buhay? Ano ba uunahin ko? Kasi minsan hindi sumasakto yan eh. At minsan nag-aaway yan. At yun ang, I think, isa sa mga tema na tatalakayin sa ating pelikula, no? Eto, medyo juicy na. To all better halves, would you give up something for your better half? Okay, better halves. Joros,
Ako?
would you give up something for your better half?
Una, hindi ko nakikita yung relationship namin ng asawa kong half-half.
Mm.
We are one. And it stays like that. At sa akin, binigay ko na sa kanya lahat by loving my Lord Jesus Christ. Kasi sa mundong ito, yun yung problema natin eh. Ano ba yung priorities in life? Like for me, it's God, my wife, my children, and then everything else. So, yun, kapag alam mo na yung dapat may prioritize sa buhay mo, everything follows. Kasi kaya nagustuhan ko tong yung palabas na to. Kasi talagang marami makaka-relate na kailangan, kasi share ko lang din bro. Biglaan lang din yung yung tinawagan ako.
Ang akala ko, parang automatic eh.
Oo, hindi. Yung tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema, I was feeding the poor that time.
Okay.
So, pinapakain ko kasi nun yung sarili ko dahil Then yung tumawag, uy, work, priority to. Wala nang makain pamilya to eh. Ayun lang, kasi parang
Thank you, Lord.
matawasin
Thank
ko
you,
yun.
Lord.
Ako yung would you give something up for your
Better half.
Ako minsan yung half ko iniiwan ko pag full moon.
Iba yun.
Lumilipad sa kalahati kita.
Iba na yun
Pag
eh.
full moon.
Ay, nako. Now you see the cast that we have, di ba? Ang saya-saya to have this family in the set. And I think yan din yung mararamdaman natin. And more, lalo-lalo na yung heartfelt passion nilang dalawa and heartaches in this film, tayo sa wakas. We got this last question and goes to everyone as well. Sa mga nakakatanda ng kaunti sa ating panel, I read that verbatim, no? Okay. What would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy? What would be the best advice you would give to young people about relationships or keeping relationships alive and healthy? Direk.
This film. This is my best advice to all the young people out there.
Watch it. Okay. And with that, I think we're done.
Ay, grabe naman. Sila rin pasagutin mo.
Ay, okay.
Ito yung mga mature na ako, nag-pink jacket ako para hindi ako sumagot ng mga ganun.
Saan kayo mature?
Hindi. Ang ibig lang namin sabihin mga naka-pink. Anong tanong?
Your question is, what would be the best advice you would give to young people about keeping relationships alive and healthy?
Relationship is about giving. The greatest secret in love and in life is giving. Kapag papasok ka sa isang relationship, hindi dapat you complete me. Kailangan kumpleto ka na at overflowing ka na.
Agreed.
So, that's it. Love is about giving. So,
Alam mo, pwede ka magtrabaho sa mga Hallmark cards, ah.
ayun, doon ako napadaan. Pero pa pala doon sa...
Ang dami mong mga kasabihan na saktong-sakto talaga tungkol sa
Yun lang naman yung mga natututunan natin. At i-apply lang natin sa mga kabataan at sa lahat ng... Yan yung mga nandito, yan yung mga naka-braces. Karamihan dyan. Yung mga matatanda naka-braces, nagpapata-bataan. So, para sa inyo lahat tong pelikulang ito, kaya panoorin mo.
Sabi naman. Ay, nako. Salamat talaga. I guess we got more questions coming in. May pahabol si Patrick of Business Mirror. For Donville, stepping down from the Love Team narrative. For now, I can emphasize that more. What are the type of projects you are most excited about? Would there be a genre shift similar to what Donnie did with Roja or anything that you're looking forward to?
Naku, ang dami to. Ang dami ko pang gustong matry. Basta good material, I'm all for it.
That's an actress talaga.
Yeah, ang dami ko pa rin gusto matry. But I think the best thing here is that I don't know talaga what's next. And I think it's okay to not know.
Yeah? Mhm.
Yeah.
May mga dream projects pa ba kayo na gustong gawin? Or marami pa?
Pero ito muna tayo sa wakas.
Okay, dito muna tayo.
Sa wakas.
Sa wakas. Okay, Rachel Siazon has a question for Direk Cathy. As a box office director who have mentored a lot of popular love teams, what is the one thing that you want them to take away or learn from you after you have worked with them? Dami na
Wow.
dumaan sa inyo, direct talaga.
Yeah. Well, hindi about sa kwento, but I make sure kasi in all of my sets that we become a family. Yung sabi nga ni Donnie, I always try to gain their trust and maintain that trust even after work. That nothing, ewan ko, kasi I don't work with them as only their director. I normally become their mother, their sister. Ninang, tragis ka talaga. Tragis ka.
Panganay ko.
No, but yes, it's a relationship whenever I direct. So, take away, wala. Let's just continue to love our craft and love each other. Ayoko ng mga tape friends, shooting friends. Na pagtas ng pelikula, wala na.
Kaya susunod kami sa New Zealand.
Yan! Galing no, hindi lang siya transactional. There's really a relationship when you work with Direk Cathy Garcia and of course the people in her set as well. Okay, last question. Finally, coming from Josiah Antonio, Philippine Star, and this goes to Donnie and Belle. Okay, fitting last question for our Q&A. As you part ways for now, do you have any message for each other, and what do you look forward to doing after this film?
Una mo.
Well, I know that we may not be working with each other in the near future, but I'll always be here. And sobrang proud na ako sa'yo. And if they ask everyone here, Kuya Epi first, yung Inconvenient Love, Miss Vanner first series, but I've really seen you grow since day one, since we met. And I will always look up to you, not figuratively, but literally pala, figuratively. But in general, I'm just so blessed that I got to spend these last years with you. Yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. Thank you.
Ayoko ng tanong. Ano ba yan? Ang babaw talaga ng luha ko. Sabi ko pa naman, hindi ako iiyak. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin. Pero siguro ngayon, I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much for the journey. For just being there, for the support, and I respect you so much. And ngayon pa lang, ang layo mo na, pero malayo ka pa. And I'm just so proud of you, and I'm so proud of the man you are now. Okay na po, yun na. Thank you.
That's it for Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause.
Naging tissue!
Grabe yung emotion dito sa studio. And I'm sure sa lahat ng mga pamilya natin watching online, I know what you're feeling right now because we feel it too. Again, this is just for now. And we hope another chapter opens in the future. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin for sending in all your questions. Maraming salamat po. But, just like what we promised, we are not yet done. As we mentioned earlier, Tayo sa Wakas opens in Philippine cinemas this May 27. But the story does not stop right there because love, heartbreak, and all the questions between, they speak this universal language. And today, we're so excited to officially announce that Tayo sa Wakas will soon be reaching audiences all over the world. That is right.